Imagine walking into any room and knowing exactly what everyone is thinking. Imagine guiding their actions without them suspecting a thing. These 12 mind-reading tricks won't just make you influential, they'll transform you into a master of any situation. Each trick is designed with a purpose. The deeper you go, the more control you gain. And the final ones, they're so powerful, they'll feel almost like mind control. Let's dive in and unleash your inner genius. 1. The pen drop trick. Spot the nervous ones. Ever wanted to know who's nervous in a room full of people? Try this. Drop a pen. It's that simple. Watch closely. The first person to react, whether they rush to pick it up or look startled, is likely the most anxious. Nervous people are like radar dishes, always on edge. Meanwhile, the truly confident folks, they won't even flinch. Pro tip, this is perfect for meetings, parties, or any group setting. You'll look like a mind reader and nobody will suspect a thing. 2. The micro nod hack. Get instant agreement. Want someone to agree with you without saying an extra word? Use the micro nod hack. While speaking, subtly nod your head. It creates a subconscious signal that says, yes, this makes sense. Humans are wired to mirror behavior, and before they know it, they'll be nodding along with you. Action step. Try this when asking for a favor, pitching an idea, or closing a deal. It's subtle, powerful, and transforms a maybe into a yes. 3. The leg cross trick. Decode true feelings. Want to know what someone really feels about you? Look at their legs. When someone crosses their legs toward you, it's a sign of comfort and interest. If their legs are crossed away, they might feel distant, uncomfortable, or disengaged. Pro tip, combine this with their posture and eye contact to get a fuller picture of their vibe. 4. The double blink signal. Unmask a liar. Ever felt like someone wasn't telling the truth? Watch for the double blink signal. If someone blinks twice quickly or holds a long blink after a question, it could mean they're hiding something. Their brain is processing a lie and their eyes give it away. Pair this with signs like avoiding eye contact or fidgeting for even more accuracy. 5. The lean-in test. Measure engagement instantly. Want to know if someone's genuinely interested in what you're saying? Test it with the lean-in trick. Lean slightly toward them while talking. If they lean in too, they're fully engaged. If they pull back, they might be losing interest or feeling uncomfortable. Pro tip, this trick is invaluable in meetings, dates, or negotiations. 6. The coffee cup trick. Find out who wants to connect. When someone is holding a cup, coffee, tea, or water, watch how they hold it. If they hold it close to their body, they're creating a barrier, signaling discomfort or hesitation. But if they place it down or hold it loosely, they're open and interested in connecting. Pro tip, you can use this with any object, not just a cup. Phones, bags, even notebooks, all can reveal hidden emotion. 7. The chair angle trick. Spot who wants to leave. Ever felt like someone wanted to bolt from a conversation? Here's a quick way to find out. Look at how their chair is angled. If it's toward you, they're engaged. If it's angled away or toward an exit, they might be ready to leave. Pro tip, cross-referencing this with body language like crossed arms or feet pointing to the door can give you a clearer picture. 8. The doorway. Pause hack. Catch hidden hesitation. Ever noticed someone hesitate at a doorway? That tiny pause can reveal internal conflict. When someone pauses before entering or leaving, it often means they're second-guessing a decision or feeling unsure about the situation. Pro tip, if you see this, don't rush them. A simple, "Is everything okay?" can open the door to deeper insights. 9. The hand-on-chin signal. Decode their thoughts. When someone rests their hand on their chin, they're often deep in thought. If their expression is neutral, they're likely considering what you're saying. But if there's a frown or furrowed brows, they might be judging or doubting you. Pro tip, if you sense judgment, ask for their opinion to address their doubts head on. 10. The pen borrowing trick. Test their trust. Want to know if someone trusts you? Try the pen borrowing trick. Ask, "Can I borrow your pen?" If they hand it over quickly, they likely trust you. If they hesitate or make excuses, they might be guarded. Pro tip, this trick works with any small request. It's a subtle test of trust. 11. The fake smile test. Spot true emotions. Ever wondered if someone's smile was real? Pay attention to their eyes. A real smile involves the whole face, especially the eyes. Crow's feet appear, and their eyes light up. A fake smile is all mouth, lips curve up, but the eyes remain dull. Pro tip, use this at meetings, social events, or even during compliments. It's an instant sincerity detector. 12. The silent foot tap. Uncover hidden anxiety. Ever notice someone tapping their foot under the table? This is often a sign of hidden anxiety. The faster the tap, the more heightened their emotional state, whether it's anxiety, excitement, or frustration. Pro tip: if you spot this, subtly ease the conversation's tone or address their discomfort to help them feel more at ease. Bonus trick: the power of silence. Here's a game changer. Want someone to reveal more than they intended? Harness the power of silence. Ask a direct question, then say nothing. Hold steady eye contact and let the silence do the work. People hate awkward pauses. They'll often overshare just to fill the void. Dark tip: lean in slightly or raise an eyebrow to amplify the pressure. This technique is most effective in intense or high-stakes situations. You made it to the end, and that sets you apart. You're not just a casual viewer. You're someone ready to take control of your interactions, elevate your influence, and become unstoppable. If you're ready for more advanced techniques, hit that subscribe button. There's so much more to learn, and I promise, each new video will take you a step closer to mastering the art of influence. Go out there, own every room you step into, and become the person who not only reads the room, the person who shapes it.